Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block robo and spam calls on your Honor 50. To do this, you'll need to go to your phone dial, it's this one, then press on these three little dots in the top right corner of your screen, blocked, call block rules, and from here you'll be able to block all of these options. For example, block unknown numbers, block private withheld numbers. If you block all incoming calls, nobody will be able to actually reach you, only people from your trust list. So make sure to not actually block that one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.